Hello, Silaholics and all of my elite creators. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly download, extract, and or unzip, depending on how the file was downloaded, if it's in a compressed file, and how to install your fonts with the latest Windows update. It's actually been like this for some time, and a lot of people, especially who use Silhouette Studio, are getting a little bit confused as far as how to install fonts, because the way that they used to do it before, it is no longer working that way. So I'm going to do this video to show you exactly how to install your fonts properly so that they will open up in Silhouette Studio as well as other programs. I'm going to use Creative Fabrica for this tutorial, and I'm going to come here and I'm just going to pick, excuse me, any font. I kind of like the way this one is. I have a subscription. The link for Creative Fabrica will be in the description box if you want to just go on there and purchase a few fonts, or if you want to get a subscription, the link will be in the description box. So we're going to just click on that one. And with Google Chrome, once you click on it to download, it's going to automatically download for you and save. If you are using a different web browser such as Internet Explorer, it may ask you if you want to run or save. I recommend saving it to your downloads folder and then opening it from there. But with Google Chrome, it's going to automatically download for me here. I'm going to then click on it. As you can see, it is a zipped file. Once you open it up here, or if you do a bunch of them and then you go to your downloads folder and then find the one that you want to install, you're going to see where it says extract, right? If I click on it, I'm going to see extract all here. I can click on that and it's going to ask me where I want to save it to. If I am in my downloads folder, and let's see, it's going to give me a whole bunch of stuff that's in my downloads folder. This is the one here. It's going to show me where it is. From here, I can right click and choose to extract all. Okay, so either one of those ways will work. So we're just going to go from here. Since we're here, it's going to ask you where you want to save it to. You can send it to your downloads folder. It's still just the raw file. It won't be in your fonts folder for your computer, like the system folder. So you can just put it to your downloads, and of course check where it says show extracted files once complete. That way you can properly install it at that point. So we're going to go ahead and hit extract. Excuse me. Once you open it up, most people want to double click on it and then hit install. You don't do it this way. This is not going to install it for all users. So we're going to close out of this. What you want to do is right click on it and you're going to see where it says install for all users. You want to click on that. All right. Once you click on that, it will make it to where it's able to be uploaded to Silhouette Studio. Right now, my Silhouette Studio is open. I would have to close it all out and save a bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to necessarily do that. But once you go and you do click on install all users, if your Silhouette Studio is open, just shut it down, open it back up, and that font will be in Silhouette Studio for you. If you are using a different program, a lot of them, it will just automatically pop up. If it doesn't pop up in whatever design program you are using, just shut that program down and open it back up, and the font will be there. Make sure that you do note what the font name is, because a lot of times I do find that fonts will be a certain way, like when you're looking at it from a site to purchase it, but you have to pay really close attention to how the name shows up so that you can find it when you do look into your font list on the various programs. Right? So hopefully that helps. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to go ahead and post them as a comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new content. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit the like button. And until next time, guys, have a great one.